What's up, guys? It's Chris here. I got my partner Invades to show off this RCE exploit. So, a lot of people have been talking about this since the source code to Csgo and TF2 was leaked, but there's been a lot of fake information about it, what it does, what it can do. So, what this exploit essentially does is it allows me to execute code within Csgo on Invades' computer over there. And normally that isn't that big of an issue. I could do stuff in game with him. Like I could, technically I could get him vac banned or something, or inject a cheat onto his computer through my computer. But the real problem comes from the fact that you can use this with Windows exploits to elevate the kernel level. So that's where the big danger from this exploit comes. So I was able to figure out an exploit using the account service process. It allows us to get kernel mode access from the Csgo game client after the code is executed. So I'm going to go ahead and show that off. So we're going to go ahead and run the remote execution executable. Alright, this is the Proof9 RCE tester. So the first thing we're going to have to do is type status, and we're going to find the user ID of Invades. User ID of Invades is 3. So if we go here and type 3, it's going to override UAC, it's going to elevate the kernel, and then it's going to run the remote tool that I created. Alright, so it's going to give us some information from his computer. This includes his Steam profile name, his Steam ID, his Steam username, what's used to log in, his Steam password, his Windows username, his Windows password, and his Windows product key. We have his IP address, which I'm going to blur out, obviously, same with a lot of this other stuff, and longitude and latitude. I'm also going to blur that out. It's just from the IP information. So now we get to the command line. This is how we access the remote tool. So we have the calculator, the notepad, the message, and the exit. These are just some simple programs I created to show off the capabilities. Obviously, if this was an actual attack, you could do much more, but we're not going to do that because that'd be illegal. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the calculator on his computer. So as soon as I do this, you should see a view pop up in the video of his computer screen. So it attempts to open the calculator, and then it says calc.exe open on a remote host.
Yep, open up.
Yep. Alright. Now if I type notepad, and then I'm just going to do hello invades, it'll open up notepad, and then it'll send the keystrokes. Did you get a notepad that says hello invades?
Yep, did.
Nice. And then I have a message box. We're going to do pwned by Chris.
Wait, I think it showed up. Yep. There we go.
Nice. And then finally exit, which disables the remote tool entirely, because we don't want him having a rat on his computer. And that's it. So yeah, a couple different things about this exploit. So the people at CatHook claimed to have access to the RCE. This was actually not true. We had told them about it and they tried to figure it out on their own, but they were too, I guess, stupid to figure it out. I don't really know what the best term for that is. And so they've gone around trying to claim that it's fake, but what this video has proved is that the RCE is real and we need to have Valve patch it. So we're going to be having a write-up about this on Secret.Club later, and from there hopefully Valve can use the information to patch the exploit. Though it's going to be quite difficult because of the fact that this is a very baked into source engine exploit. It might be until source 2 they can fix this. So yeah, other than that, thanks you guys for watching, and see you next time, brothers.